Hello family, welcome back once again to Mama Niger's kitchen, a kitchen filled with love and everyday amazing adventure. Welcome one and all today to our amazing family, our returning as well as new viewers, our subscribers. We have a delicacy for you today. Yes, going straight back home to Nigeria. Yes, Nigeria Akara and AKAMU. So guys, if you are in for the street, let's head right into the kitchen. There is no time to waste, guys. Oh yes, let's get it done. Fluffy and light akara. Koose. Washed beans, skinned and washed black eye beans. So we're going to start with our akara by blending. First step is to skin, wash, and then blend. When blending your akara, you want to monitor the amount of water you are using. You're looking for a thick paste. It's very smooth consistency, guys. Smooth paste. How smooth is that? Nice. I'm just gonna blend it one more time. See the thickness of it? Alright, we'll continue with the process until we are completely done. Alright guys, here are the ingredients. Akara require just a few ingredients. So we have, here is our beans. Beans is all blended into a very thick pasty. And I have here chopped green bell peppers, habanero pepper according to your tolerance, and red onions, as well as 2 eggs and salt to taste. I'm hoping this bowl is going to be enough. The pepper, onions, all diced, and salt to taste. That's all she wrote. Now we're just going to whisk this up until this batter becomes very fluffy and light. That is a key step with your akara. Whenever I'm doing this, I always remember one of my grand aunties. Growing up as a child, used to actually make this for sale. So if we go there on the weekend, it's a Saturday morning, which is when we usually have akara. We'll put some in a bowl for me, a big bowl, large bowl, mixing bowl, and asked me to whisk it for her. So that was as a child growing up. I was in elementary school at that time. If you have a hand mixer, by all means. So guys, you want to do pepper to your tolerance. Just ground cayenne pepper here. Yeah guys, getting light now. Alright, that's good. So now we are ready. Using deep frying method, we are going to complete our akara. So guys, I just have here some vegetable oil, and which I have heated up. So I'm going to start introducing scoops of akara batter into the oil. So an indicator that your akara was at the best consistency of fluffiness is when you drop that akara batter into the oil. It shouldn't just sit there or descend to the bottom of the oil. It should immediately bounce up. So there is some buoyancy because of all of that air that was incorporated in the akara. And that is a key element, for you to have the best consistency akara. Your akara must have that quality. Once you have that quality, it is a fail-proof process. Alright guys, it's time for us to flip. So I'm going to just flip them. That looks so beautiful, guys, so beautiful. It's light golden brown. Now the egg makes it more airy and crunchy. 1 more minute and that should be out. Look at that. I might be adding more pepper to the last batch because my husband loves pepper. Because right now I'm not feeling the heat, so we want to feel the heat. Reduce the heat so we can start getting ready for our next batch. Alright, first batch is done and I am really happy about the turnout. So I'm going to continue on the remaining batches here and I shall be back when I am all done. Of course. Oh, I can hear if you hear it. Oh! Okay. Yeah, guys, you heard that excitement, right? My husband perceived the aroma of the akara from upstairs. He had to come down to find out what is that? What is happening in the kitchen? He slapped me with a kiss because he is so excited to see akara happening. That is why I'm doing a whole batch, guys. Enough to last for a month. And then we'll go on vacation. Akara vacation. Until another 3 months. As we did before, reduce the heat in between batches so your oil is not overheated for the next batch. Guys, for the PAP, I'm using PAP porridge. Okay, this is some homemade PAP from Nina, purchased from African store. So I have it in the pots. I want to dissolve it. First time using this type. I've added sugar here also. So you want to sweeten it with sugar to taste, or honey, chocolate, whatever you choose. I have hot water and my pots that I will be using. It's very important that everything is dissolved. If it is not dissolved, you will have seeds and you don't want seeds, guys, in your AKAMU. That is fully dissolved. Now we're going to add our hot water. So this is boiled hot water. Again, since this is my first time using this, I'm not really sure what to expect, honestly, guys. So I'm gonna stop here because nothing is happening. Transfer it to the stove. Once you transfer to the stove, continue stirring until the pap thickens up. If you are not stirring, it will become seedy and you will not really enjoy seeded AKAMU. So it is very essential that you continue that stirring motion to keep everything fluidy flowing. Our AKAMU is done, guys. I'm going to dish it out so that we can enjoy this delicacy. OMG, man, there are so many mouths waiting for this, guys. So many mouths. This is going to be throwback memories. Yes, beautiful, amazing memory rekindled right now. It's just as if you are back home. Ooh, wow, guys, you gotta hook this for yourself. So guys, here is our AKARA. This perfectly beautiful AKARA, guys. Just gonna cut it. Just cut into it. Look at that AKARA. See that? Beautiful. You have the onions, the pepper, and taste. It is yummy, delicious. Quite flavorful, guys. It's like as AKARA you make back home. Perfect. Perfection, okay? So guys, thank you all so much for hanging out with me once again at Mama Niger's Kitchen, a kitchen filled with love and everyday amazing adventure. You will never have a dull moment at Mama Niger's Kitchen. And as you can see, here you are. Beautiful AKARA or a Koose. Beautiful AKARA. Thank you. Until next time, we'll say what? Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all to all my new subscribers. Thank you all so much. My faithful subscribers that have hung with me through thick and thin. Oh, so much love and respect for each one of you guys. Thank you so much. Continue to share this channel so that we can reach more people and everyone can benefit from these daily adventures. Thank you all. Until next time, we'd say Obulu or Kiwefo. Bye bye. At least a treat once in a while. I know sometimes because of all the work that goes into it, it's not easy to hook up every day, but once in a while, guys, you can hook this up. So I'm bringing you this recipe today on a weekend, so you can really think about this and Voila, voila, voila. Hook it up for yourself, your family. And the already peeled beans is available in the stores, in African grocery store, international grocery stores. You can find already peeled beans, even on Amazon, guys. I'm gonna put the links for you so you wouldn't have any excuse. The links for the peeled black eye beans, yes, it's gonna be right there for you guys, so that all you have to do, click the mouse and it will be delivered at your door.